Alright everybody, so I've been dealing with this toilet in my kids' bathroom for quite a while. So I decided to get something to kind of help clear it out, because I've tried everything except a plumber. So I went to Home Depot and I got this Kleer Drain. Kleer's clog drains fast. As you can see, it utilizes CO2 cartridges, and it's supposed to shoot out a blast of air that's gonna clear the drain. Now hopefully when I do it, I don't spray toilet water all over the place, because that could get pretty nasty. But now I would show y'all the whole process, but since I only have two hands and I need it for this, I'm gonna show y'all this and the finished product. Alright, so stay tuned. Kleer Drain. Alright everybody, I'm proud to announce that the Kleer Drain, I call it the toilet shotgun, did work. Now let me break it down to y'all. I didn't have to worry about water going everywhere, because there was a protector right there to stop the water from spraying all over. So it came with these CO2 cartridges. Okay, now to put it together, you have to unscrew this, alright, and the cartridge goes in there. And there were these little, hold on, let me show you right quick, these little power discs. Alright, now the key to get a good strong shot is to use like two of them. Alright, the first time I used one and I didn't have a good seal. If you can see right there, you put it down in there to create a nice tight seal. Alright, and then all you do is push down on it, and then you're gonna hear it. You know when you get a good shot, because it's gonna make a powerful noise. Now the first one I did, it was pretty weak, and I tried to flush the toilet, nothing happened. My seal wasn't too good, I can tell from the sound. The second, I only used one of those power discs. The second time, I used two. Alright, used two discs, and I still didn't get a good seal. So the third time, I was like, alright, you know what? I'm gonna focus on this seal, create a good seal down there. Use two more power discs, one more cartridge. Shot it, poof. Next thing you know, toilet flushed clear like it was brand new. Alright, so once again everybody, it was the Kleer Drain. Kleer's clog drains fast. I can definitely tell you all that it works. And for some proof, give me 1 second. I just want to show y'all right quick. Check it out. See that? Flushes like a charm. So if y'all got a tough toilet drain, there you go. Clear seal. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, Bad Teeth Fitness. See, the reason I decided to do this is because at Bad Teeth Fitness, of course we work in the gym, but sometimes, you gotta take care of issues at home also. So today, I had to take care of the home issue. And there we go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.